Hello friends, today we are going to see questions related to distance. These questions are important from exam point of view. First question is, a man paid rupees 160 while traveling 10 km in a taxi, which has some initial fixed charges. Another man paid rupees 276 for traveling 16 km and the taxi driver charged double of the initial fixed charges from him. The charges of the taxi per kilometer is, they have asked the charges of the taxi per kilometer. So here we can consider that let fixed charges be x and charge per kilometer be y. According to these statements, a man paid 160 rupees while traveling 10 km in a taxi which has some initial charges. Let the initial charges be x, which we are writing, plus for 10 km he has paid 10 into y. So this is our first equation. So per kilometer he has traveled 10 km, and for per kilometer it is y amount. So total for 10 km this plus the initial charge which is fixed, that we have to add. If we add these two things, we will get 160. This is what they have given according to this statement. So this is our first equation. Then our second statement is, another man paid 276 rupees for 16 kilometers. So 16 into for per kilometer it is y amount. So these x and y are in rupees actually. Charge would be in rupees. So 16y plus the initial amount, which is for this question it is double the x. So double the amount. So it is 2x. This is our second equation. So we have two equations and two variables. So we can easily find out the x and y. So let me substitute from this equation we can get that x is equal to 160 minus 10y. We will substitute this x in this second equation. So we will get 16y plus 2 into, in place of x we will substitute this 160 minus 10y. So this is the equation that we have got, which is equal to 276. This we got from our second equation, and this was our first equation. Okay, this was our first equation. So let me solve this. 16y plus, if we multiply these two things we will get 16 to the 32, 320 minus 2 into 10, 20 y, which is equal to 276. So this minus 20y, we can take y into one side and number into another side. So 320 minus this thing which is in right hand side, we are taking this to left hand side. So this plus 276, if it comes to left hand side it will become minus 276, which is equal to this minus 20, when it goes to the right side it will become plus 20y. This plus 16y, when it goes to the opposite side it will become minus 16y. So if we subtract these two things we will get 44, and if we subtract 20 minus 16 we will get 4y. So here y is equal to 44 by 4, which is equal to 11. And this is what they have asked. They had asked us the charge per kilometer. So here charge per kilometer is y. So according to this question, charge per kilometer is 11 rupees. So this is our answer. Our answer is option C, 11 rupees per kilometer. Now let's move. Gopal walks 20 meter north, then he turns right and walks 30 meter. Then he turns right and walks 35 meter. Again he turns left and walks 15 meter. Then he turns left and walks 15 meter. The shortest distance in meter between his original position and final one is. So they have asked the shortest distance between the initial and the final position. So here first thing that we need to know is the direction. We need to know that we know that this is south, this is north, and this is east, and this is west. So this is the very important thing which we need to know, north, south, and here east, west. So east, west, north and south, this direction we need to remember. So according to this we have to draw the map. Let me consider that he is starting from a position A, which is this point. From here they have said that towards north is this side, right? North is this side. So towards north he is walking 20 meter. Let me draw this, and let us consider he has reached a point B after 20 meter. So this distance is 20. So after going north for 20 meters, then he turns right. So when a person stands here, we can see that the right side is this side. He walks 30 meter towards his right. Right, then he turns right and walks 30 meter, and let us consider this as C. After 30 meter, he reaches a point C. Then he turns right. So again, his right hand side is this side, and he walks 35. So he up to here it is 20. Then again till here, let us consider that this point D is till here it is 20. From here to here it is 35. Right. So then from here, after reaching 35 meter, then he turns left and walks 15 meter. So from here, his left hand side is this side, and he walks 15 meter. Let us say that he has reached a point E. Then he turns left. Then again from here, his left hand side is towards north, right? So his left hand side he is moving, and he reaches 15 meter. Let us consider that this is point F. After 15 meter, he has reached a point F. The shortest distance between his original position and final one is, so his original position is A and his final position is F. So distance between A and F, this is what they have asked. So to know the distance between this to this, what we need to find is this distance. This dotted line that I have drawn, this is the distance which we need to find. So here we know that till this it is 15, and from here to here we know that it is 30. So to know this, let us consider that this joining point we can consider as G. Let us say that this point is G. So to know the distance between D and F, what we can do is distance between AG plus distance between GF. Distance between AG, this distance, and BC, this is AG is equal to BC, which is equal to 30 meter. Right, and GF, distance between GF is equal to DE, which is equal to 15 meter. Therefore, distance between AF is equal to 30 plus 15, which is equal to 45 meter. So we can easily say that distance between AF is this one, 30, plus for this distance 15. So 30 plus 15 is 45. So our answer is D. Option D, 45 meter, is the right answer.
I hope this presentation was useful to you. Keep practicing these questions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Achieve High. Thank you.